Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to make Windows Task Manager to open a specific tab of your choice, then either read to this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and click on the application to open it. Now click on Options, go to Set Default tab. The original one is set at Processes. You can change it to anything. Let's say you can change it to Details. And then when you open the Task Manager again, the default tab will be different. Let us try this. Task Manager, and then let us open it. And the default tab is the Details tab. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.